In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for content batching. Now, content batching is practically you taking one big high quality piece of raw information, so what people call quote unquote hero content or a pillar asset, and you use the AI to slice, dice, and transform it into dozens of smaller bite-sized pieces. So what does that mean? You want maybe a book, maybe a huge article, maybe a study, or maybe even a complete video, a documentary, whatever, and feed it to Poppy AI like what I'm going to do right now. We're going to use a video about, this is the buzz right now, the Odyssey. So this is practically the complete narration of the Odyssey, right? So if I want to create a bunch of small bite-sized content, maybe a minute, maybe YouTube shorts, if I'm creating YouTube videos about this, I'm going to use this and then feed it to Poppy AI and just use chatbot here, right on the top. There we go. And as you can see, it's connected if it's close enough. So it's connected, as you can see, right? And then I'm going to just going to ask Poppy to create scripts, to create titles, to generate imagery for the short form content I'm gonna make using this big content, big video. And that is how you just create batches of content using one main large source of content via Poppy AI. And if you are interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description below. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. Will see you on the next video.